Hey guys, today I'll be talking about my best makeup purchases. This is how my skin looks like without makeup, and I have like sensitive combination skin. So right now I am breaking out and you can see some of acne over my forehead and dark spots here. So that is totally normal. So let's get started with the first step. I am just starting with my favorite of favorite concealers. So here I have two concealers, and this is like one from L'Oreal, one from Forever 52. So there are some times when I don't feel like wearing foundation, and I just want to keep it light. So I just prefer them, and it just does its job so well that I don't need any base, and they both are best in their ways. I'm talking about this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Concealer I have bought last year, and this concealer was my holy grail product in the makeup section, because this concealer is like giving you the full coverage and you don't need to reapply once. The best part is that it doesn't, creases it out. So it's literally a full coverage concealer, what it says. And of course, Infallible range is very good. I am having the foundation also of this range, and it works like a magic on your skin. So I have posted a lot of makeup routine in my videos previously, so you can check it out, the reviews of this I have used a lot, and it really doesn't creases it out. It gives you a full coverage. So anyone looking for a full coverage concealer with that gives no crease, so this is the one you can go for. It's the best concealer I have in my makeup vanity, and it serves the best. So secondly, I have this Forever 52 concealer. Today in this video with my makeup routine, I'm gonna be using this. L'Oreal concealer is a bit heavy on my skin, so I feel that it's more lightweight, so I would be using this. My one of my friends suggested me this Daily Life Forever 52 concealer, and I wanted one concealer that was like of my skin shade, giving me a skin like finish. So I really don't want to like cover that hard my under eye, but just for the sake of like wearing the blush, and for the sake of like doing the makeup routine, I wanted a concealer that's lightweight and gives a bare minimum coverage also. So this is my go-to concealer when I am like going for a minimal makeup look. So guys, you can see how beautifully it has covered my under eyes and how good coverage it's giving, but it's lightweight too. Moving forward to the foundation section, I have this skin tint that is from Smashbox. I bought this mini one so that I can just try how it suits on me. So this is the Smashbox Hello Tinted foundation, like moisturizer. It gives you a healthy glow when you're wearing it, and for the summer, it's best. It's best anybody could want. Of course, with the minimal makeup routine, I always prefer this foundation, just a tint of this, and I just mix gracefully on the skin, and it gives me that healthy glow and skin like finish. So when I don't want any coverage and I don't want to hide my scars and anything, so I use this. Else, when I'm going to a wedding party, I'm going for a dinner, I'm going for some sort of celebration, then I used to wear like in the evening part basically. So that time basically I wear this L'Oreal Infallible foundation on my face. I need a full face makeup, so I prefer this. Otherwise, I use Smashbox only. Talking about full face coverage with the foundation, then this L'Oreal Infallible is the best foundation. Suits on every skin, like for dry skin, like for oily skin. It really gives you that healthy glow and the full coverage finish. It's here written that it's fresh wear foundation, that actually it has vitamin C also. So, and this Smashbox is onto the skin tint type, and you can just use it in summer when you want that lightweight breathable makeup. So I would be using this Smashbox tint foundation or moisturizer, because I want to keep it light always. If you guys want, then you can use a makeup brush to blend it, but since it's a skin tint, I'm just using my fingers to blend over my skin. looks great and healthy and more into the skin like. Forward, I don't use any kind of powdery products. So because I'm more into cream products, so I mostly skip baking and using the compact part because I don't know, I feel cakey after using it. But I am using it, then I'm using this L'Oreal Fit Me loose powder. Been there for a long time with me. It's really handy to use if you're not a makeup artist and if you are just a beginner sort of thing. Just like I'm taking the tiny amount and I'm just tapping the brush and just onto setting my concealer part. I'm saying to set makeup, especially the concealer part, we need to set it nicely so that it don't creases it out. Basically, I use this product for setting my concealer only, but it helps me like setting my foundation very well also. But since I'm not wearing any foundation right now, I'm perfectly sets my concealer. You can see I have one bronzer with me that is from Sugar. So this is the only bronzer I have in my vanity. Really don't know how to use it honestly, so don't judge me over here. So I'm just using some of over my forehead to give that bronzed look and some of here. So after that, moving on to the blush or tint side. So I have this Etude Dear Darling tint gave to my mom and she's loving it honestly because it's lightweight and it gives you that healthy blushed look. So she is loving it. If you're looking for a affordable tint, you can go for this Etude tints. These are best and affordable also. So it gives that healthy glow and the Korean, makeup look. So this is the best. These days, if you have like been into my YouTube videos, then you must have known that I have been loving this Cloud9 Niacinamide Glow Blush. This is from Sugar. I am obsessed with this product. Yes, you can say, because every time you see me with a makeup video, you can see me with this product. Why I'm in love with this product? Because this product gives me that glowy look that expensive brand gives only, but this is giving you in an affordable price. Shade, guys, it's a rare beauty shade. Only a brown girly can, find out that dupe and just use it in the makeup routine. So I use this amount and this product would give you a blush blindness if you are not having any. So it's a really cool product. Next, moving on to the highlighter part, I only have this K Beauty highlighter. I have recommended to a lot of my friends and they are loving it. And this is really a dupe of some expensive highlighters like Dior kind of highlighter. So this serves it all what we want. So the application comes into the palm part and I'm just taking a little amount and it's like you can see what a glow it is. Basically has no chunky glitters. It is really subtle on your face. K Beauty, this is a great product that you have invented. We are moving on to the eyeshadow part. We have this Naughty Nude palette that is from Huda Beauty. Has basically all the warm colors and all the glitters that you can use for that pop eye look. I am into the brown warm shades, so this is the palette like for my type of girlies. So you can see how pigmented is this glitter and it's literally shining like a gold. So I basically use this in the corner of my eyelids and it gives me that shine, really opens up my eyes and gives you that, pretty look. So using a warm shade just for the sake of completing my makeup look. So I'm using a warm brown shade over my eyelids and you can see the pigmentation, guys. Of course, Huda and pigmentation. This is really the prettiest shade one brown girl can have because this shade is such a pretty brown shade. How pretty it is. Have this L'Oreal Paradise mascara. It really gives my eyelashes the length I need. And you can see with that one brush, my eyelashes are up. So So you can see such a pretty mascara. And of course, the hack. I am using it over my brows too for giving my brows a finish. So moving on to the lip part, I am having this Swiss Beauty pencil lip liner, and it's in a chocolate shade. So this gives you that fuller lips. A nude lipstick that I'm having from Nykaa, and it's my favorite shade. You can see how pretty and sober is this shade. Now, this is the gloss from e.l.f. and I have been using this gloss from a long time and it gives the beautiful shine on my lips. And this is it for the makeup look. So I mostly covered all of my favorite purchases and all the links are in the description box below. Bye bye.